Never in my life did I think I'd be making a video like this, but here we are. I got my first YouTube check and I want to share it with you guys. Hi guys, I am back with another video. Obviously you can see the title, it's your girl Taz. If you're new here, welcome, but if you're an OG, you already know me. Welcome back. So it's obvious why you clicked on this video. I click on videos with titles like this all the time because I want to know how much is YouTube paying out, especially for my small creators out there. We want to know, like, we want to feel motivated. We want to know there's hope. We want to know that that can be us one day. So I'm not even gonna draw this video out too much. We're just gonna do a light recap of my journey. I've shared extensively in other videos in the past. I'll put some at the end screen here. I'll put some in the comment section, and I'll also put some in the description. So go and check those out if you want the full detail, or more detail I should say, about how the journey has been. I will say this, that I've been on YouTube for almost 5 years. So this channel that you're currently watching, I created this channel almost 5 years ago. Not 5 months, not 5 days, 5 years ago, and I just got monetized in officially October of 2025. I'm currently recording December of 2025. And listen, I know you hear this all the time. To my small creators out there, it sounds so cliche, you're probably tired of hearing it, but if I can do it, you can do it too. And I've made so many mistakes in the past. They always say hindsight is 2020, and that is so true. In a future video right after this one, I will be sharing with you guys what I did wrong and what I know you're doing wrong as a small creator. Because how do I know that? Because these are things that I did that if I had learned sooner, or if I had someone in this space who was mentoring me, I think I could have been monetized way sooner than October of 2025. But my journey is my journey, yours is yours, it is what it is. But I can just pay it forward by giving you suggestions and advice, if you want to call it that, about how to proceed, basically how to change certain things, how to be more strategic. It's not gonna happen by luck, guys. That's not gonna happen. Yes, people say just keep showing up. I know as small creators, we're probably so tired of hearing it. Just keep showing up, just keep being consistent. But what does that really even mean when you feel like you're pouring out the content and you're not seeing the results that you've hoped for? It's very discouraging, let's be honest. Let's call a spade a spade. I wasn't monetized via the 4,000 watch hours, which is mostly what a lot of persons chase. I've shared in detail in another video before, I think 2 or so videos ago, I can't remember, that I've been monetized via YouTube Shorts. Yes, so YouTube came out with Shorts recently, and it changed their original requirement of having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So when Shorts came about, it changed the game a little bit, right? And it opened up, I would consider it, 2 tiers to monetization. And again, I've shared that in a previous video where I shared that I got my YouTube AdSense, and that's all gonna be tied into this video, so I'll share that here. So yeah, YouTube has a two-tier monetization requirement, and I won't go too much into this because I don't want to be repetitive. Just go and watch that video after this one. I fulfilled the first tier. I got 500 subscribers. Was it 500? I can't remember. And then the 3,000 watch hours, right? The first tier only allows you certain things like super chats and for you to create channel membership. So basically that tier of monetization relies on your viewers and subscribers paying you for the content. You get what I'm saying? But the one that everyone really wants is the ads, the one where persons watch ads on your content and you earn from that. That's the second tier, and with that it's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. And that's the one that I successfully achieved right after achieving the first tier. And like I've said in a previous video, once you're in, you're in. So when I achieved the first tier, I got all the greetings and congratulations and welcome messages because I was now a YouTube partner. And when I got the second tier, it was just a notification to say, hey, you've unlocked this level of monetization on YouTube. So there wasn't a requirement for me to do anything over because I had already like submitted certain documents, do what I needed to do, the administrative part of it, know that I'm a YouTube partner. All right, fast forward. Being accepted in a YouTube partner program is one thing. You're not getting your next paycheck immediately, honey. No, you're not. So there are different levels to monetization. That's really what it is. There are different levels to it. And YouTube has minimum threshold payments before you can activate. So you have to activate one level, then after achieving that level, then it activates another level. So it's like different doors being unlocked along the journey. That's literally how it is. That's the best way I can think of putting it right now. As a content creator in the United States, YouTube has a minimum earning threshold of $10 for anyone who becomes monetized before you can get your Google AdSense. Again, go and watch this video. I knew of the $10 requirement, so when I officially got monetized, now I've been declared monetized, I've been re-welcomed into the YouTube partner program basically. I was hunting that $10. I knew I had a shorts that was performing well. I had a lot of videos that were performing well. I used to go on live and all of that. All those videos were performing well. I started seeing and feeling the difference in not just the views going up, but also the fact that I physically saw where there were no dollars and cents attached to each and every single view. Like I could see it when I go into the analytics and I was just like, wow. So now it put things in perspective. Wait, woo, this is not just views anymore. This is currency. So I remember being in the car and I was like refreshing my YouTube studio, refreshing it because I'm like, let me see what updates is happening. Child, when I saw my first $20, I almost opened that car door and ran and screamed. I was so happy. I called my brother up. I'm like,
I just made $20. I just made $20.
Listen, me happy so till. Hey, the Jamaican have to come out right now. Me happy so till. Guys, me glad bag. Hey, as we say in Jamaica, your glad bag boss. I was so happy. So I saw that $20 and I was just like, whoa, $20. I felt so motivated and I knew that $20 activated and unlocked me getting my Google AdSense being sent to me. However, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, I honestly, based on the fact that I didn't officially get monetized until late in October, so we're talking about October 24 and I know the cutoff period is the end of October, I honestly didn't expect a YouTube check from my October earnings. So now that I've unlocked my Google AdSense being sent to me, I knew there was another level to be unlocked before I could actually get my first YouTube check, right? So remember I said it's like different doors being opened at different level. YouTube never pays a creator unless that creator has achieved a minimum of $100 US. So if you earn $99 for the month, you're not getting a check. That's plain and simple, and it rolls over to the following month basically. This is an answered prayer that I am living in. I am walking testimony, right? I am a walking testimony about the goodness and greatness of God. And I was just so grateful. I remember just being so overwhelmed, crying, thanking God, because He made all of this possible. I wouldn't be making this video if it wasn't for God, because y'all wouldn't have any money to know about. There would be no money, honey. So praise God, thanks to Him. I am so grateful to share this with you guys. And I just know that more blessings and all His promises from me are going to come through, because this is something we've spoken about and I am immensely grateful. Like, you guys don't understand, this is not just another check for me. This is an answered prayer that I am living in. So without further ado, let's get right into my first YouTube check and how much I actually earned. Drum roll, please. Ta-da! Okay, so So let's also break down how I got to $144.20 as my October earnings for YouTube. I'm so happy. Okay, I have my computer here. So you see where it says estimated revenue $144.20. That's what I actually got sent to my account, direct deposit, $144.20. So then it says watch page ads. It says $0.31. Now guys, let me tell you something. I don't understand half of these things like CPM, RPM, all of that. I look it up. I mean, I watch other content about it. I've been watching content about it for like 5 years now, so I do understand the terms to an extent, but do I understand every single role they play as it relates to my earnings and how they affect my earnings on a day-to-day basis? No, I do not. Am I worried about that? No, I'm not. Because over time, that knowledge will come to me. It says estimated monetized playbacks, 73, I don't know what that means. Playback based CPM, $7.82. And then YouTube Premium, which I know what this one is. So YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube. So again, remember, my earning would be based off ads, persons watching ads on my videos. So if you haven't watched the ads as yet, please watch some ads. Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you. So that's that. So if you have decided to go ad-free as a viewer for YouTube, but you watch my content, YouTube gives me some earnings from you paying to be a premium member for YouTube, which makes sense. And then it says transaction revenue, $0.00. I do not know what that means. And that's how we got to $144.20. On a less lighter note, guys, as you may know, my country, my beautiful country of Jamaica, has been severely damaged by the passage of Hurricane Melissa, along with other countries. But as a Jamaican, I'm going to speak on behalf of my people, especially my parishes, St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, and several other parishes on the western side of the island. What I've done is I've donated 100% of my YouTube earnings towards Hurricane Melissa relief supplies for my country. And for anyone watching, if you feel compelled to help, there are different ways you can help. I started a GoFundMe. There are different persons with GoFundMes, different organizations. There are different ways to help. So if you feel so compelled, if you're so moved, you can go ahead and check out the information in my description or the comment section below. I think I'll put it in both. And yeah, each one can help one. It's gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna take months, years for Jamaica to recover from this. A lot of persons have been displaced, a lot of persons have been affected, including my own family. And I am just trying to do my best and do my part as it relates to just giving back and helping. And I honestly don't think I would have felt good buying a new purse with my YouTube earnings, my first YouTube check. Guys, I didn't even take a cent out of that money to buy a candy or to buy a coffee to say, oh, I'm treating myself. No, I did not. Minus the taxable income, everything went towards assisting, everything. So to all my small creators watching this right now, you've probably heard it several times before. It probably sounds so cliche at this point, but believe me when I tell you that your time is coming. Your time is coming. I was in your shoe not even 3 months ago, right? And again, I've been trotting on this journey for 5 years. I wanted to be monetized. I was working towards it, and it took almost 5 years. So your time is coming. That level of YouTube is about to be unlocked for you. Like, believe me when I say it, it's not luck, and it's not just showing up and being consistent. There's different strategies and different ways to go about it, and that's what will be in my next video. I'm about to film that right now, because again, hindsight is always 2020, and there are a lot of things that I wish I had done sooner on this journey. Maybe I could have been monetized quicker, but again, your journey is your journey. That was the path I had to take, and that's just how it is. All right guys, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am so happy that I was able to share this with you all. Like, I've been bursting. I've been wanting to scream this from the top of the mountains ever since I hit that $100 mark. When I saw that $100, that was enough for me, honey. But $44.20 on top of that, I was like, oh, take me to the bank. Take me to the bank. Take me to the bank, honey. Jackpot. Jackpot, because 100 was enough, but $44.20 on top of 100. Okay, you're showing off. You're showing off. So happy, so happy. So again, guys, if you're new here, hi, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you feel so inclined, go right ahead. I'll appreciate it. If you're not yet convinced, then watch a few more videos. I'm cool. I'm patient. I've been waiting 5 years to make this video. So what's a couple more days, right? If you're an OG, if you've been here ever since almost 5 years ago, thank you. I cannot thank you enough. You've played, if you know deep down, you've played a tremendous role in this. You've watched my content, you watch ads, you like my content, you comment even when there's nothing to comment. Sometimes you just drop an emoji, you share, you keep the algorithm going. I am beyond grateful. Like, I cannot thank you enough for the part you've played in all of this. So that's it from me. Catch you in the next one, which you're gonna want to watch if you're a small creator. Okay, bye.